Hello and welcome. My name is Vanessa Mary from Marytime Arts. I just wanted to share this fun, quick craft that I did with you. These beautiful little wall hanging succulents made out of felt. Now, I was at Michael's the other day and found these great little wood wall hangings for 99 cents in the front aisle, and I wanted to come up with something fun to do with them. So I went and picked up some felt pieces. I just went and got plain old felt squares. You can pick out lots of fun, vibrant colors. So I have a few examples right here of some fun color felt squares. I folded them over, cut them into strips about 1.5 to 1 inch, depending on what size succulents you want here. Cut them down and then just kind of freehanded some different fun designs here. I did a triangle design. You can see it kind of points up, it slits down just a little bit on each side and repeats that pattern. I like just having them folded over so that I can cut that nice and easily in one shot. I don't like to have stencils or lines on here because those do stay, so try to do it freehand. Here I have a little space, so a little strip at the bottom, about the size of a pinky here, and then I have these little ball or round shapes. I have another one kind of like that triangle, but it's a little bit more arched on the sides, has that little slit down the side, or like that circle with that little space at the bottom here, and big long ovals coming through. And I just then take those strips, hold them tight in one hand, and start rolling them up, trying to keep that base all together and held tight. If the felt is a little too thin, it might rip. That's okay, just hold it together, push it back in. Roll those all the way till you get to the end here. And then when I get to the end, I just put a little dab of glue, just some fabric glue right at the end there. Hold it in place, let those sit and dry. You can paint up your wood block in the background there. Now on some of these, I did come in and add just a little touch of chalk pastel to give some color to the tips of those. You can get really creative and make them really neat, really personal. Once they are all done, I just took some hot glue and glued them right into my wood base. Hope you enjoy this project. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.